Hello everyone, this is a second part of the alphabet video I started the other day. So, before we proceed, I strongly recommend you to check out this channel called Pre-Beginner Rusyn, where you can have each letter as a single video. The link is in the description below. So let's go straight to these letters. Y, Y, його, його, him or his, depends on the context. К, к, качка, качка, duck. Л, л, ложка, ложка, spoon. М, м, мамка, мамка, mother. Н, н, нога, нога, leg. О, оболок, оболок, window. Омикрон. This one is also tricky as it represents a range of sounds between o and u that appear in Rusyn dialects not in the same way. If you are a complete beginner, you can skip this one for now, though it might be useful for you in future for more accurate phonetical spelling. Watch the video about this letter here. P, P, перст, перст, finger. Р, р, рано, рано, morning. С, сон, сон, dream. Т, Tomasz. This is just the name Tomasz. Unia, Unia, Union as in European Union, for example. Macron. This letter has no sound by itself, but it represents the place in the word where sounds evolve differently in Rusyn dialects. It might be either E, U, or even E, as in my dialect. I have posted a video about it earlier. Fajno, fajno, pretty. Chyża, house. Цена, price. Чоло, forehead. Keep in mind that in most dialects this is rather soft ch. Shawl, scarf. Ще, more. The soft sign. This is a special letter that has no particular sound, but it makes the previous consonant softer. It can be applied to these letters only. D, G, Z, Z, L, L, N, Н, R, R, S, S, T, T, C, T. You. It sounds the same as English you, as in name Yura. And the last letter, ya. Yar. This is spring. That's all for now. Thanks for your attention. Thanks for your time. You can find more info about some particular letters in the description below. So stay tuned. Take care. Bye.